Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're taking a look at this Cat 8 Ethernet cable right here. Now you can see this is the cable right here, and the cable itself is round and it does have a little bit of thickness to it, but I like that actually, so it does kind of protect a little bit the wires on the inside. Now I wanted to show you here on the ends of the Ethernet cable, you can see we have this little red plastic piece here that allows you to release the Ethernet when you're plugging it in or pulling it out of a device. It allows you to kind of protect a little bit that plastic tab there, which sometimes does get broken on Ethernet cables, so I really like that they added this to kind of give that added protection. Now you'll notice if you look closely, you can see that metal casing on the end there. That gives some also high quality and durability to this Ethernet cable, but overall this Ethernet cable has thoroughly improved my speeds from switching over from wireless to wired. I've been so impressed. The Cat 8 has really lived up to its potential and I highly recommend it. Now make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.